In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date field to a document on DocuSign. Whether you're preparing an agreement or securing a vital signature, knowing how to insert crucial metadata like a date is key. Let's dive into the process together. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the DocuSign homepage. If you're not already familiar, DocuSign is a leading platform for managing electronic agreements, allowing for seamless preparation and sending of documents requiring signatures. Once you're on the home page, notice the interface that guides you to various sections. Here, locate and click on the Agreements section. This area is essentially the starting point for all document-related tasks you'll be handling. Once inside the Agreements section, shift your attention over to the Drafts tab. Click on Drafts to access documents that have been started but are not yet finalized. This is particularly useful if you're working on multiple documents simultaneously and need to manage them efficiently. After you've selected the draft you're working on, click Continue. This button is typically positioned near your draft list, and clicking it will move you toward making detailed edits. Now, you're probably ready to attach the file you intend to work with. Adding a file is a straightforward step. Simply upload the document you wish to send, then proceed by inputting the recipient's name and email address. This ensures that as you progress, the document is already associated with the right people for signing. As you progress, it's vital to make your communications clear. Type in a subject line and a message to accompany your document. The subject should reflect the document's purpose, ensuring recipients understand its nature at a glance. Your message can provide additional context or instructions, making it easier for the recipient to understand their role in the process. With those details in place, click on Next. This action propels you to the document preparation page where the magic happens. Take note, it's important to ensure every section is addressed prior to moving forward to avoid any hitches. Now, here's where we get to the main task, adding a date field. Within this preparation page, look towards the Standard Fields section. Here's where you'll find the Date Signed field. Clicking on it allows you to insert a date field into your document. This field automatically records the date when the document is signed, providing a timestamp that can be crucial for legal or professional purposes. Follow these steps meticulously, and you'll be setting yourself up for success every time you need to integrate a signed date field into your DocuSign documents. Whether it's for contract management, client agreements, or legal documentation, mastering this process enhances your efficiency considerably. Thanks for tuning in and happy signing.